Hello friends, this is called, I just call it a lemon holder or a lime holder, okay, or CSL. Just look for it for 3D prints, then you have it. This is what it does. When you're doing a 1 cup routine, your hands are empty and the cup is empty. The holder is on this side and the cup is further on this side, this end, and as you reach for that cup, you get a lemon. All right. This is a 3D printed idea, and with a very simple setup, you're going to get a lemon real quick. Let me show you once more from this side. So as you reach for that cup, you get a lemon, and as you come back, you're already loaded. Now let me show you how to set it up. As usual, I use a clip here to clip it onto my belt. Oh, I didn't show you the security test. Let me show you here once more. Putting it back is really easy. Just put it back like this, behind your jacket, under your jacket. And just like that. Now the test. I see everyone does that. Everyone who makes a holder does that, so this is it. It does not fall. The setup is this. You see it? The rubber bands should be off center here. Alright, so as you place your palm here, it's going to trigger the rubber bands in slow motion, very slow motion. And as you come down, you get the load. The other way, which I don't usually, I shouldn't use the word usually, I just made it yesterday. But I don't recommend using this if you're dancing, because this one does not pass the security test. It's not so reliable. It will drop if you jump. But the good news is this time you don't need 2 motions. You just place your palm here with your finger palm position on the rubber band next to it. And as you roll it down, you could just take it with 1 continuous motion. Let me show you how to wrap this one. Wrap the rubber band around. So it's here. You could either tie 2 rubber bands together, or you could just tie a knot in between, in the middle of a longer rubber band. Alright, the other side is really simple. You just wrap it around all these dots like this, and 2 tracks here. You're good to go. One more time. This side up. You place it under your jacket. This one, oh wait, it should be off center, a little bit up. This one should be horizontal. That one diagonal. Horizontal, diagonal. So it is off center. It's off center. And when you place your palm here, you roll it up, and you could just pump it off. All right. Thanks for watching. You can get the 3D printed file in the text description, and it's free. Feel free to find out what I have for the other items, and subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.